Hello everyone, we are in the Arduino platform and we are going to create an Arduino sketch in order to blink an LED with the help of the microcontroller Arduino Nano. First, initially, I will set up my pin number, that is the LED pin number, to 2, meaning that I'll be using the digital pin number 2 for connecting my LED and the microcontroller. Then I will set up my functions, all that I want, void setup, open parenthesis. I will keep my pin mode, the mode of my LED pin to output, meaning that LED is not going to receive any input, it is rather going to be an output component. So after this, I'll be using void loop that will execute my program. The executions will happen here. So I'm going to write digital write function and I'm going to give my LED pin, digital write of LED pin, comma high, which means if I set that to high, 0.5 volt of power will be supplied to that LED, so that will be turned on. Similarly, if I want to turn off, I'm going to write digital write of LED pin, comma low. This will turn off the LED. So what we're trying to do is we are going to turn on and turn off the LEDs. So I'm just compiling my code and that's done compiling, no errors in the code. But I feel that this particular code will not signify the blinking, meaning that we will not be able to notice that the LED is blinking. The turning on the LED and turning off the LED will be at a very faster pace. So as a solution to this, we can use delay function that takes milliseconds as a parameter. So we are suggesting, I will use 2000 here, meaning 2 seconds. So we are suggesting that after turning on the LED, wait for 2 seconds, then turn off the LED, then go on. But even if we add in between, that won't work. So we should also include that delay function below the digital write of LED pin comma low. So that I will turn on my LED, wait for 2 seconds, I will turn off my LED and wait for 2 seconds. So it will be similar to a blinking process. So the LED will blink. This is the Arduino Nano board and I have given power supply with the USB cable and this cable is connected to my laptop. And we're going to use digital pin 2, which is here, and the ground pins for this connection, for this LED connection. I'm going to use male to female jumper wires for this project. I'm inserting a green color jumper cable to the D2 pin and a red color jumper wire to the ground pin. So I've taken an LED. I'm inserting the positive sides to my left and the negative to my right at a random position in my breadboard. And to the positive side, I'm inserting my LED pin, which is connected to D2, and the ground pin to the negative side. But we missed one thing, a resistor is also important at this place. This is an 1 ohm resistor. Let us place resistor and then construct the circuit. Resistor has no positives and negatives, so I can insert anywhere I want. So I'm placing one end of the resistor to my positive and the other end to my negative. And after this I'm going to place my LED also. And make sure you have inserted at the right position, that the same line that you've inserted the jumper wires and the resistors. So once the setup is done, let's go and upload the code that you have written to the microcontroller. Once you click upload, you will be seeing a done saving message. It means that your code has no errors and everything is done. Now it's time for you to observe your LEDs. Yeah, that's blinking. Yeah, that's a very great news. And for every 2 seconds, the LED turns on and turns off. Okay, this is the program using Arduino Nano. Let's see in the next video. Thank you.